Honda Civic and CR-V key fobs use a CR2032 battery. Signs of a low battery include dimming LED lights or the fob becoming unresponsive. To replace, use a small flathead screwdriver or plastic prying tool. Some models have a release button or clip. Gently pry open the fob case along the seam. Be careful not to crack the plastic, especially on 2023 Plus models where the case may be glued. Remove the old battery. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side up. Snap the case back together and test the fob. If your remote isn't working after replacing the battery, first try resetting it by holding the lock and unlock buttons simultaneously for 5 to 10 seconds. If that doesn't work, reprogramming might be necessary, which can be done through your vehicle's settings or via the Honda Link app if available. For glued cases that are difficult to open, applying a little heat from a hairdryer can help soften the adhesive, but proceed with caution. If problems persist, especially with newer models, a dealership visit for reprogramming or software updates might be required, as firmware glitches can sometimes be the cause.